The need for a foldable structure has existed for many years. When people moved from one place to the other, either for hunting or grazing their animals, they needed a simple place to live in. Lightweight, small and compact structures such as tents, teepees and yurts always seemed more satisfactory to them. These lightweight structures were easy to assemble, disassemble and transport. In modern times, self-assemble foldable structures gain popularity due to need of assembling structures without human intervention, or rapid deployment due to time constraints. For example, a space satellite solar panel assembles without a human intervention, and a military barracks or tents assemble with fewer people in a short time. Application of these kind of mechanism are countless and play a major role in our daily life. These types of structures have many advantages. Some important benefits are speed of erection, ease of erection and prefabrication, ease of transportation and storage. Reusability, minimal skill requirements for erection and relocation, reasonable cost, simplicity of connections, possibility to map the structure to any shape. Lightweight and packed in the deployed configuration. In this video you can see a self-deployable structures with scissor-like elements. Notice that, how a simple linkages can create a complex mechanism. System can be folded to a small form and later can be transformed to a larger working system with a simple rotation motion.